going? Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here. Got a beautiful John Deere 650K 2019 model. This baby is available for rent and for sale. As you can see, it's got 3 shanks on the back for your rib. I'm sorry, yes, 3 shanks for your rippers. This dozer is very tight, very nice dozer. Undercarriage still great. PAT blade or 6-way blade, whatever you like to call it. Clean dozer, very clean. It's kind of a in between a 5 and a little 6 dozer here. This baby's ready to go for rent or for sale here at Star Tractor. If you're looking for something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you and God bless.